Hey, what's going on, guys? Remy Sheen back in the video. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Happy Easter, by the way. Two blaster boxes of 2024 Topps Baseball. And yeah, I have 130 cards in this set. 130 out of 350, 37.1%. So I was opening these up real quick. I'm actually going to take a screenshot of the thumbnail. Bad boys. I got my scissors out. So this will be blaster box number 2. I opened one, the first one I uploaded, it was uploaded today. I got it 2 days ago. It took me 2 days just to get it uploaded. I'm trying to get this open. Hold on. I got a split from the top. So yeah, these don't have the patches anymore, or the products it usually comes with. Look for exclusive. I think it's like exclusive blue. Explu. Oh, I said. But royal blue base parallels. 350 card set. And yeah, there's the holiday parallels and stuff you can find. For all these Chrome Stars MLB. Nice stuff you can pull. Wonder if they took out the just the patches, manufacturing patches. I wonder if they'll actually have huge odds of pulling autographed relic cards. And in the past, that was never true. Alright. Starting off with a Stone Garnett, Malov, Orlando Garcia, Yelich, Brandon Marsh, Steen Dursch, Christopher Morel, second year, Varsho, Matos. I'm trying to see which one is the rainbow foil. Ibanez something, Luis Castillo. No, that's not it either. We do have a Stars in MLB. Fernando Tatis. I think I have that one though. Because rainbow foils been kind of hard to recognize from my eyes for some reason. I haven't caught any, or I haven't got any yet. Not caught any. It's not Pokemon, but yeah, get a closer eye. Hope we get some other parallels I haven't seen in a while as well. First holiday one of Brendan Rodgers from the Rockies. Barrios, Campbell rookie, Canzone, Corral, Chris Taylor. I'm looking closely at him. Jose Aguirre's, that's Curd. Here's Vladdy, cover guy. Now foil. Brady Singer. Alright. When I see my first rainbow foil, I'm probably gonna recognize it really well. But for some reason, I don't know. I just kind of look close because some of the cards actually look foily at the same time. We got LED La Cruz, 2023 greatest hits. Checklist on the side. We got a Stars MLB. Henry Davis. I'm not going to get the entire series one set. Get the Correa shower. Mookie Betts, Corey Seager, Jose Rodriguez, Juan Soto, no longer on the Padres, Nathan Love, Victor Pete Alonso. Yeah, let's play my road to the show. I made a second character from no YouTube, made it for a year, and he's on the Guardians for some reason. It's pretty cool. But I'll make more road to the show videos for the YouTube guys, but my upload speed for Twitch is like, it sucks. Looking closely, that's Taylor. Backwards card. Maybe my old parallels might be backwards and just show it. Yeah, like this. Okay, yeah. That's a rainbow foil. Okay, now I know more. Okay, I thought it was just like this part, but the bottom is also foil. The whole card's foil. Kill. Okay, I was wrong. But Ellie De La Cruz, that is a huge foil, though. We get a Stars MLB, Yordan Alvarez, but originally I thought it was going to be like close to like foil. It's going to be like on like the picture, not like the border. So I got confused when I saw the checklist and photos and stuff. Just another retard moment of mine, you know. Happens a lot. Holiday of Waldron, something like that. You got Diaz, Contreras. So say after this one, you got DeLuca, Colas, Bobby Witt Jr., Randy Rosarena, that's a nice card. Jacob Emilia, Zach Gallen, Cody Goslin, Albert Poole, who was 89 Topps 35th anniversary. Nice picture. Shares MLB, new one, Vladdy. Looking for that one still. We got Bednar. So they have the true photo variants where you can have no border but the picture. Remuto, Phillies, October. Musgrove, Cano, Lee Castro, Heim, Waldron, Charlie Morton, Royal Blue of Reese Olson. Shares of MLB, Paul Goldschmidt. Need that one still. Anthony Velope. I just got a message. Hold on. Alright, 2 more packs left. I don't know if this video is going to be uploaded today or not. It might be tomorrow. These two are going to be together. I got another holiday of G1 Bay. I think I only got like 3 the last box. Last I remember. Freeland, Capano, Bailey, Rafaela, Johnson, India. I'm seeing duplicates now. But Willie Adames, Vanessa's, Cambridge. Oh, these blueprint inserts of Juan Soto. I like that card. Haven't seen one of those since the Fat Packs have opened. Threads and MLB, Tyler Soderstrom. Did not have that one. I'm getting close to getting my set, actually. Series 1. Nolan, Allen, Rogers, Quinn Prince to rookie. Brady Scott, Bryson Scott, Grayson Rodriguez, Josh Naylor, Crawford, Senga, someone. Got the home run challenge of Mookie Betts. That's one right there. We got stars at MLB, Aaron Judge Judy. And we got a Michael. Nice box to start off. Really like a lot of these parallels. I like the holiday ones a lot as well. Next pack, next box, and that'll be it. Next box, when I go online or something, I might maybe try to get one of those collector or monster boxes or hobby. Mostly get stuff online, but these were a gift actually. I did not buy these. First box I got, though, online. Alright. Next pack. Just love that sound of cracking packs, if you guys know what I mean. Got Holmes. Ooh. Res rookies. I've had it in the corner for a second. Duran, Starlin Marte, Keno. You got that Willie Castro, see a lot of duplicates and all. Patrick Bailey, Carter, Harris. You got a challenge of Freddie Freeman. You got a Stars of MLB of Sal Frelick. Suzuki. We got his haul there. Love that. American League leaders. We got the Angels team card, which they only got Trout for their best player now. Adley Rutschman, Monsterio, fellow rookie again, India, Bryson Scott. Peralta, yeah, the more packs I open, the more I'm going to get duplicates. It's common for me for tops. There's Biggio. There's 89 tops of Wade Boggs. Stars of MLB, Julio Rodriguez. Nice card. And we got Seawald. I will probably like to open a hobby box at some point. I'm like 70, 80, maybe 90 bucks right now. Maybe I might open one of those in the future, we'll say. Orleans, Williams, Murphy, Devin Williams, Grayson Rodriguez, Josh Naylor, Jack Rimwald, Rollin Tillman, Ray Detmers, never forget his no-hitter, Ramirez, Jazz Chisholm Jr., the City Connected. I like those uniforms. I was wearing them a couple times for my second character MLB show, for the show. But that's a Chrome version. First one of a Chrome on this break. And we get a Corbin Carroll. It's going to be pretty good with Arizona in the future. Unless he gets traded. Luzardo. I don't know. I hope they don't trade him away like they did with Goldschmidt, though. I hope he's going to be like their best new player. Get a holiday of Trey Cabbage. CJ Abrams, Gonzalez, Matt Olson, Tatis, Luciano, Matt Manning, I see a lot of duplicates. Brad Keller. No, I don't. Like Hartwig. Oh, Julio Rodriguez. Nice. Oh, what do we have here? This is. What is this insert set? All Tops team of Corey Seager. I've not pulled this insert set yet. I think it was a 25 card set. The Stars and MLB, Mookie Betts, George Springer. Brian De La Cruz, Osman, Furman, Furman, Bryce Harper, Jeffers, Andrew Abbott, Tyler Anderson, Durbin, 7, Donovan, Nick Robertson, and 2 more packs after this left. Shares MLB, Pete Crow Armstrong. I have his Chrome, now I have his base. Here we go. Go Cavs, go. Justin Martinez. Come on, we haven't pulled a gold parallel yet. I usually get one every last year back in the day. It was either one or the rainbow foil. Got all day of Kirby. Got a Massey. Cavell. Horwitz. See a lot of new cards I don't have yet. Now I do, like Judge. Oh, Raz. Bethencourt. White. Dansby Swanson. And then you see 130 above. Like a good neighbor. State Farm is there. We got Cortez. Jackpot. We got a 89 Tops. Mike Trout. I like that 89 die cut they did back in 2014 on Mike Trout. That was a lot better than this card, but that's also a nice card as well. I have a bunch of those 89 die cuts of Mike Trout, and they go for someone. There we go, base of Chisholm. Stars MLB. Felix Bautista. Last pack. McCormick. Lyles. Keaton Wynn. Vaughn. Lock Thomas. Max Muncy. Jacob deGrom. National League leaders. Padres. We got a rainbow foil. Tyler Ward. So no gold parallel or nothing else besides all this. Shares MLB Corey Seager. Last card is a Orber, which took him on MLB The Show, and he struck my character out like 3 times. So, got it for that. Joking. But yeah, guys, that is it. A lot of nice cards out of this. Nice. Might have a lot of. Might have all the Stars MLB Series 1 done almost. I didn't see a lot of duplicates. I only saw like maybe 3 or 4. I think 3. I think it was. But the other inserts are new. That's what I like to say. Alright, guys. That is it. Peace.